Hey you guys, I am back with another video, and today's topic we are talking about all the ways of how you can detox your body after your menstrual cycle, after your periods, however way you want to say it. I am Latersa Denise, and on this channel we talk a lot about self-care, hygiene, and life advice. So if any of that intrigues your little mind, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so that you won't miss another episode. Now, let's get right into it, shall we? All right, so the first way of how to detox your body after your periods is I'd like to take what I call a detox bath. And what I use is a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna try to post a video of here that I post on TikTok. Apple cider vinegar and some baking soda, and I soak in the warm water as warm as you can stand it. And I do that for about 20 to 30 minutes, just soak my body and all that good stuff. And then that way, all the impurities can release from your body. It just makes me feel an extra step cleaner. And then once I soak, like I said, I soak about 20, 30 minutes. Because a lot of times I be turning the water back on. Because a lot of times when I'm in the bathtub, I don't be want to get out. Because I just feel so good. It's just relaxing just to be in a warm, good bath. Especially after your periods. Because if you grew up in the 70s like I did, my mother wouldn't let me take a bath when I'm on my period, because to me it just really don't make sense, because you really not gonna be clean if you sitting in all this blood and stuff. So I get it now why she wouldn't let me take a bath when I was on a period, which now looking at it, I think is nasty anyway. But after your periods, when you dried up and all that good stuff, so a detox bath, that's really good. I promise you it will make you feel a whole lot secure, because I'm telling you, when you're on your cycle, you really just don't feel the best secure. You don't feel the most confident, because I mean, you got stuff passing through you, and trust you me, people don't want to talk about it, but your blood coming from your body does not smell good. That's why I always say stay up on your hygienes, because when your period comes, that's just extra funk on top of if you're not washing up properly. So I have a lot of videos on how to properly wash your body on this channel. But listen, do this detox bath and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Like I said, these are just old remedies that I've used for years that have worked for me, but I want to share them with my sunshines. So like I said, if it works for you, that's great. If it's not your cup of tea, that's fine too. But all I ask on this channel is just be respectful. Be respectful of me and be respectful for your other sunshines on this channel. So anyway, that's number one. Number two on how to detox your body after your periods. When you're taking a shower and you get through washing yourself up properly, this is clean. This is what I call a Perry bottle. These are kind of some of the bottles that they give you after you've had a baby. And when you get off your periods, because if you had a baby, if you're a mom, like most of you are, you know when you have that baby, you're going to be on your periods for a couple of weeks, for a while. But they always give new moms this bottle, and it's for a reason. You're going to put this, if you've ever douched before, which I don't recommend douching, but I used to just buy the douche bottles just so I could empty the stuff out of it and put warm water in it. But you're just going to put some warm water in here, as warm as you can stand, and you're going to spray this up inside of you. It's going to get all that dried up blood, all that old gunk off your walls inside of you. Because I'm telling you, a lot of times when you get off your period, sometimes you still have dried up blood and dried up, stuff that's in there that needs to come out. But of course, it won't come out on its own if you don't, spray this up in there. And it will release eventually. But I'm the kind of girl, I like for it to come on out, be through. Because if you have blood clots like I do, they just be passing out. And it's like, I want to make sure no dried up blood is still in there. So I take this bottle right here. It's called a Perry bottle. I'm going to have it linked below for you guys. You fill it up with warm water, as warm as you can stand it. And do this as many times as you need, as many times as it'll make you feel comfortable. And I promise you, your confidence will start to soar right on back up, because we women, we have to go through so much. But when it helps that when you can go that extra step, to get yourself clean. We all girlies over here, we have a period. So it's best to share our advice and tips to help our sunshines out, help another sister out, because listen, a lot of this stuff I didn't learn till I was grown. So don't feel bad if you my age and you still learning. We all still learning, honey. We all on this journey together, honey. You're gonna forever learn about your body, because your body is not gonna stay the same. Your body is not the same as it was in your teen years, your 20s, your 30s. If you're in your 40s like me, it ain't the same as it was in your 30s. So as you continue to grow, continue to learn about what your body needs. And I promise you, if you listen to your body, it'll tell you what it needs. And then the last thing on how to detox your body after your periods is make sure you're cleansing your vagina properly. And I like to use this, especially when I'm on my periods. I like to use this down there wash. I've been using it for months now, and I really like it. It's pH balance. And I want to say this was made by a woman, I want to say. It's the down there, pH balance, gentle, nourishing, toxin, paraben free, alcohol free. I like it. It does not irritate me or anything. Screenshot that if y'all can see it. I want to say I got too much light here. But anyway, I'm going to link it down below for you guys. But make sure you're washing yourself thoroughly. Y'all know I love to use the Dove sensitive soap. But when I get tired of that, because sometimes you can use a soap for so long and it stop working, and sometimes I have to switch up from Dove sensitive, because for me, once I use a soap for so long, sometimes it just feels like, to me, that it's not working. So I switch between these two, but I mainly use this when I'm on that time of the month, so it can give me that little extra security that I need. So I hope this video helps you guys. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these tips before. Share some of your practices that you do when you come off of your cycle, so we all can learn here together. But I love you guys. Make sure if something I said resonates with you, or you enjoyed this video, enjoyed these types of videos, make sure you hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you are not already a part of the Sunny Squad. If you are new here, make sure you hashtag Sunny Squad 2 Sunshines. That way I can give you a proper welcome and welcome you to the family. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.